Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today I have came up with a very good opportunity for the engineers who are in software development. I have came up with this video. So we will be talking about Uber. You might have heard about Uber and you might have heard about the package they are offering. It is a very good brand and very good company to start a career upon. And if you are from, like, if you get into this job that is about the softwares and about the engineers, if you get into this job, it is offering very good package. So we will be talking about everything in this video: how to apply, what is the eligibility process, what is the qualifications, what all they are asking for. So we will be talking about everything. So before starting this video, please hit that like button and go and down and subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon too, because whenever we make a video on, like whenever we upload a video on job notifications, upon job tips, upon interview tips, upon different things, money making strategies, so you get a notification on a mobile phone that I have uploaded a video, and you can just open that video and just go and apply there. So let's start with the video and let's see what is the Uber process and what is the job role they are offering and what is the eligibility process. We will see everything in this video. So the very first step is you just need to go to any browser. I have opened my Google Chrome and I will just paste this link. This link will be also provided in the description, so you don't need to worry about anything. As you can see on my screen that this is the Uber careers. We are not applying from any naukri.com or any shine.com. We have opened our Uber careers and here you can see the job role is software engineer in Hyderabad. So this is a job role, and what are the things what are the things necessary and what are the things required if you want to get into this job role. Let's see what they are looking for. They are looking for strong coding abilities. They need a coder, fast learner, ownership, designs and business insights. So you need to have these all things if you want to get into this company. Like you can also read this. I will also give the description. I will also give the link of this particular site in the description, so it will be more feasible for you to read. So what they are looking, what is the qualification they desire? Actively pursuing your BTech and integral dual degree and anticipated graduation in 2021. So if you are going to pass out in 2021, so you are applicable for this job, and which all branches are eligible: computer science, electronics, electrical, mechanical, mathematical, sciences and related fields. So near about all the branches are eligible. So you need to have an experience, or like you might have worked on some projects related to your C++, Python, Java. These are the languages. And what is the willingness to learn new methodologies, because Uber is like working, if the Uber is suppose you get a project in Uber in different, suppose you are proficient in C language but you get a project in like Java, so you might be a good learner and easy to learn. So you might be a good learner, good grasper, so that you can also learn the Java also. So their adaptive nature is very required. So that is the basic thing. So let's see how to apply, These are the qualification, desired skills. Basic thing is that you need to be a 2021 graduate from BTech or BE. Okay, so how to apply? Just click on this apply now button and you will be redirected to a page. This is the basic page that what you need to do. If you have an account, suppose you have an account, then you can just sign in. If you can sign in with LinkedIn, then also you can sign in. I will just click on apply, apply with the resume. I have a resume. I will just select this resume and I will just wait. It will redirect me to a page. So as you can see on my screen that this is the page. It will like when you will upload your resume, it will automatically fetch all the details from the resume and it will fill here. So I will just show you that what are the things required. Do you reside in United States? No, I don't reside in United States. Your experience? I don't have any experience. So I just click on this. And what is your education? You can also fill your education here. Just fill your education. Your links are very important. If you are going to any software engineer job roles, links are important. That is LinkedIn link is required and GitHub link is required, because your all the projects suppose you have done some projects in C language or Python, so you just need to upload on the GitHub and you will provide the link here of your GitHub repository. Okay. So these are the things that are important, and just need to create your password and just need to apply. These are the basic steps, very basic steps. So in this video we have talked about Uber, like how to apply, what is the process of application, what are the eligibility, what is the qualification, what are they seeing for, what skill set they want. We have shown you everything practically, and I have also shown you like how to apply, which option to choose whenever you are going for application. So we have talked about near about everything in this video. If you like got anything from with this video, please hit that like button, please hit that like button, and go down and subscribe to our channel. Please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon too, so whenever we come up with the video on job notification, on job interviews, on interview tips, on interview experience, on how to earn money, so you get a notification of it that we have uploaded a video and you can see that video right away. That will be more feasible and more easy for you. So you can also follow me on Instagram, on Telegram too, because on Telegram we are posting many updates and many materials there also for the preparation of interviews and these kind of things. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.